We recently did an installation video where we showed you Diode Dynamics' new SS3 LED pod lights. Now, we showed you the Sport light, and we told you there was a Pro, which was a lot brighter. A lot of you guys have asked about the Pro, so today we're going to install them on this Ecoboost Mustang. These are the Diode Dynamics SS3 Pro LED pods. Now the Pros are twice the output of the Sport, yet are still SAE compliant with 3,000 lumens of output. There'll be a 6,000K white light just like the Sport lights, and it'll be a direct replacement for the factory fog lights on your 15 through 17 Mustang. The lights are sold as a pair and include the brackets and plugs along with all the installation hardware for direct replacement of your factory fog light. For this installation, we had a 1/4 inch ratchet, a 6 to 12 inch extension, 8mm socket, clip removal tool, and a T25 Torx bit or equivalent Allen key. We have our car up in the air and the wheel off just so you guys can see what we're doing. You actually don't have to do this for the install. You can turn the wheel and access the splash shield. Remove the 3 clips on the top and 2 on the bottom. This is the fog light here. So basically move any of the wires out of the way. In our case, we do have aftermarket marker lights. Unplug the fog light. Then remove those 3 bolts. Remove factory fog light. We're going to assemble our diode light for installation. Start by carefully putting the nuts in these little openings here. Put the bracket in place and install the hardware. Okay, you will have some adjustment in the bracket. I found the best thing to do though is basically bottom it out. Get it straight, and tighten it down. If you look closely on the plug, you'll see a positive, negative. Grab the factory harness. The light colored wire is the positive, black's the negative. Plug it in. Now we'll plug the other end into our fog light. Push it until it clicks. It's a very soft click. Sort of twist it into the bracket and then reinstall with the factory hardware. Okay, now with the light bolted down, reinstall our splash shield. And we'll repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. Here's a comparison of the Pro next to the Sport. Now you can see the Sport is a little more focused, definitely not as much light output though. We'll show you them both off and on. First we'll turn the Pro off. That's just the Sport. Now I'll turn the Sport off, turn the Pro on. You can see a good cutoff beam, but definitely a lot more output out of the Pros. Now these Diode Dynamics SS3 Pros are bright. I'd say for normal street use, the Sport's probably the better choice. But if you live somewhere where you really want to cut through the darkness, the Pro's gonna get the job done. As far as the installation goes, these are pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour or so, and you'll be back on the road in no time.